He is our next expert. Paul's idea has traveled all the way up from the Tanzanian Agricultural Research Institute in Morogoro University, Tanzania. Paul is a researcher and is here to give us his knowledge and advice about ways to save time, money, and the environment through using energy-saving eco-stoves. Elizabeth,
Yes.
food is very important. What do you use for cooking?
Ninatumia kuni.
I use firewood to cook.
And where do you get this firewood?
We have a big challenge getting firewood here. We either buy or cut down a tree.
And cutting trees is not also very good. Yes. How long do you take to cook?
It takes 2 to 3 hours for the food to get ready.
2 to 3 hours. That's a long time. Frederick, you must be dying of hunger by the time the food is ready.
Yes, close to starving even.
So it takes a lot of time.
I also have a problem with smoke. I cough a lot and tear up.
And does Frederick have time to get into the kitchen to help you do the cooking?
Sometimes, yes. When leader rises, we just live here, 2 of us.
Yes.
So we have to assist each other.
Why would you recommend the improved jiko?
First, fast cooking. You save time by 50%. So if it is 2 hours, use only 1 hour. Yeah.
All right.
And you know why? Because it conserves heat. That's why it is very efficient in cooking. Compared to the 3 stones you are using a lot of wood, but also heat is lost because of the open spaces. Yes.
Right. Yeah. So when you talk about open spaces, you want to say the improved jiko is like, it's closed, it's airtight?
Exactly.
Oh.
Yeah. There is no much smoke.
Okay, so I would be safe.
Yes.
I would go around here with the funny smell.
Yes, yeah. But also you won't have problems of coughing. Yes.
It my eyes.
Yes. No more such problems. Yeah.
How is the jiko? Can anyone handle it?
Today, I'll demonstrate the use of portable jiko.
Okay.
You can move with it from one place to another.
All right. Is this improved jiko safe?
Yeah, it is safe. Less fire injury. So even children can be close to the jiko, assisting mother or father while cooking. And also they can take part in cooking.
And are they affordable?
Yes, they are affordable. Apart from fuel consumption, it is associated with the environmental conservation. You use less firewood. So you will reduce the trip of going to search for fuel wood.
Yes.
If you had maybe you used to go 3 to 4 times a week, they will be going only once a week.
Well, we've had enough about the stoves. It's time we saw them in action. Fast things fast. The fuel. Today, we are cooking using wood. Elizabeth will have to prepare more wood to burn for her fire. Paul doesn't need as much wood, so he can light his fire much quicker. Paul's cooker is up and running. Elizabeth is still organizing her kindling to light. Paul's beans go onto the fire, and already we are seeing and breathing less smoke. Paul's beans are cooking nicely as Elizabeth's fire is only just ready to go. The smoke is already stinging her eyes, and Frederick's as well. Fast forward, Paul's beans are cooked. He's breathed less smoke, he's used less wood, and he's used less time. As delicious as Elizabeth's beans will be, Paul's proved his stove is far more economical.
The time they were spending for cooking, but also going to look for firewood, will be used for other activities like farming, business, and others.
All right.
Yeah.
Paul's eco-stove has really impressed me. But what about Frederick?
This improved jiko, I'm so much impressed with it. And I would like even to have one in my home compound. And even the whole village, I wish each family has one. So that we can secure our environment. Because the former jiko uses a lot of firewood and it pollutes the environment.